All right, welcome YouTube to Q21 Thursday. We're going to be doing a couple problems here. We're going to be doing the money problem using the number line strategy just like we did yesterday, I think. Yes. And we're going to be finding the missing number with a division sign here. Both of these we have done before on previous YouTube videos. But we're going to review it again. Okay. Mary went to the store and spent $4.32 on candy. Later that day, she returned to the store and spent an additional $8.94. How much money did she spend in all? Okay, so this looks like an addition problem. She spent some money and then she spent some more money. We're going to use the number line strategy for money. We're going to start at, oh, you know what? Start at the highest money value. Okay? Instead of starting at 432 and having to add 894, why don't I start at 894? That way I only have to add 432. Start with the larger number. Okay? 894. And what am I adding? 432, right? Okay. I think it's good to add 6 cents. Look at that. $8.94. Why don't I add 6 cents? You could write it like this, 0.06. Why do I put decimal 0.06? Because it takes 100 pennies to make $1, right? 99 cents would look like that. You have to add one more penny. And then you have a number to the left of the decimal point. So 6 cents is only 0.06. It's not 0.6. This is not 6 cents. This is actually 60 cents. Okay, so you got to put that zero there. Now, if you're confused by that, you could just put the little cent sign, because we haven't really talked about decimal points. So just put the little cents sign there so you know that we're not adding a 6 whole dollars. These are just pennies. Okay, $8.94 plus 6 cents takes me to $9. You can put 9 decimal point 00 or just put a 9. Okay, what am I adding again? I think it was 432. I'm going to write that right there just so we can all see it. Okay, have I added 432 yet? No, so I got to keep going. I've only added 6 cents. Why don't I add $4? Because that'll just be $4.06. So let's add 4, and then we'll put a dollar sign there. Instead of a cent sign, we'll put a dollar sign. Okay, so that takes me to $9 plus 4 is $13. Okay, I've added $4.06. I still need 32 more cents. So at this point, do you know the difference between 6 and 32? No. I'm just going to add 20 cents. 20, and then just put the little cent sign there so that you know this isn't $20. Now I'm at $13.20. I know these problems are kind of hard. Okay, what have I added now? I've added $4.26. 26. I'm close to 32. What's the difference between 32 and 26? 6 more cents. So now we have $13.26. Those are pretty tough problems. Adding money is difficult because of the decimal point. $13.26. All right. Okay, the other one we were going to do is this division problem. One way to think of the division problem, we've talked about it before, is shared among. You're sharing something when you're dividing something up. You're passing it out. You're sharing it amongst your friends. So blank shared among 9 people. Each person gets 5. So in this little story, I don't know how much there is, but I do know there's 9 people, and I do know that each person gets 5. Okay? So we got our 9 people. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So we got our 9 people, right? Because there's shared among 9. It was blank. So we're sharing something amongst 5 people. Amongst 9 people. We know each person gets 5. At this point, you can just skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So now we know 45 cookies shared amongst 9 friends. Each person gets 5. Do you see the complete story now? So we did not know this. So we do know there's 9 people. We do know each person gets 5. We just didn't know this number. Now we do. Okay, so hopefully that helped you with your homework.